So this is house, this is Bloomingdale School, this is temple, this is bank, this is shopping mall, this is post office, this is apartments and house, hospital. Thank you.
మేడం మీరు బయటికి రండి మేడం వెళ్ళు మేడం మీరు ఒకసారి బయటికి ఇటు నుంచి వెళ్ళండి Say about that activity and Pavni, just you ask your students. Does it? Dish open చేయండి.
చికెన్ బిర్యానీ కదా పప్పు వస్తుంది థ్యాంక్ యూ Srinuja interview.
లేదు ట్యాంక్ కొంచెం ముందరండి మేడం ఇది చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ టేక్ ద ప్లెజర్ రైట్ వాట్ డిడ్ యు జూ పార్క్ అండి ఇది
చాలా క్రియేటివ్
Thanks for being so supportive and cooperative, and we wish we'll continue for the coming years ahead also.
ప్లేట్స్ ఒకటి ఇస్తారు వాళ్ళకి ముందుగా టేస్ట్ చిన్న చిన్న ప్లేట్స్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి
అది పెడతారు కదా చెన్న అండ్ బెల్లం
In the school, which is about their learning about the children, where they exhibit what they have learned for the entire academic year. So we have few exhibits for the parents, what they have learned for the entire academic year. And also we had Super Mom contest for the entire month, in which we have sent a circular to the parents saying that who would regularly send all the homeworks done by the kids properly, and the extra activities what we send home are done by the kid and the parent together, and also the resources which are required by the school are sent by the parent comfortably and in time. This was one of the contests what we had for this entire month. So the parent who did it, we have finally given them prizes as Super Mom for the entire month. And then finally we had the Mom and Me Wash If contest. We have introduced a menu for the kids where every day the child will get same kind of food in the breakfast and also for the lunch. And we could easily do it. Curriculum wherein every month we have a theme. So we work on it together with the cooperation of the parents. The parents are involved into it. Each and every parent works with us in each and every activity we do in the class. And completely every month theme is exhibited out end of the month once the theme is over. So we basically work on improving the child on the knowledge, not on the memorization. The main concept is to give knowledge to the children experimentally, activity based, and completely they can gain a lot of knowledge out of these activities. The opposite Samnasma Reddy Gardens. Thank you.
స్కూల్లో we have conducted 3 kinds of session activities. One is సృజనాత్మకత రావడానికి కావాల్సిన ఒక కాంటెక్స్ట్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇన్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ టు ఇట్, సో మేమైతే థీమ్స్ ద్వారా యాక్టివిటీస్ పిల్లలకు చేయిస్తామో అవే ఈరోజు ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేయించడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ పిల్లలు ఏంటంటే మనం ఓవరాల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీ ట్రై టు నర్చర్ ద చైల్డ్ ఇన్ ఓవరాల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ బై గివింగ్ ఆల్ స్కిల్స్. స్కిల్ బేస్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. పిల్లలకి ఈ ఏజ్లో 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 ఇయర్స్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ పిల్లలకి అరౌండ్ 53 స్కిల్స్ మనం పిల్లలకి ఇవ్వాల్సిన సందర్భం. సో ఇక్కడ మన స్కూల్లో స్పెసిఫిక్గా ఆల్ అవర్ టీచర్స్ సిట్ టుగెదర్, డెవలప్ ఎ కరికులం అండ్ సచ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఎన్షూర్స్ all the areas, all the skills.
And our management has conducted a great exhibition today in our school. Exhibition has went on very well. Parents response was very good. Parents was telling that these exhibitions makes the children learning very easy.
One of the teacher of Bloomingdale Preschool. Here we conduct the Supermom contest. It's one of the best contests because parents are very easily contact with teachers. That's why we conducted Supermom contest. And also one of the teacher of Bloomingdale Preschool me, and also one of the mother of the school. So I was very happy to be a mother and in this school as also teacher. Thank you.
KG teacher. Actually, we have conducted a nutrition chart in the school. So due to that, we want to encourage the parents to follow that again and again. So we have conducted the nutrition chef contest here. We find all the parents who participated, they were so encouraging, and we find so many different types of dishes, and we felt very happy that parents are so excited to participate in this. I'm very much thankful to all the parents who has participated in this, and I also thanks to the management who has conducted this program. I request the management to conduct all such type of programs to encourage the parents like this. Thank you.
4 years, sir. This is the 4th year. So like this previous we did not get this experience. So I'm feeling very happy to conduct these types of exhibition and worship contest and Supermom contest. So I'm thankful to the management to give this opportunity to conduct this type of contest. Thank you.